Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 8 on your mobile device using easy methods. Since Tekken 8 is a high-fidelity console and PC game, it isn't natively available on smartphones. However, you can enjoy the full experience through cloud gaming services. This revolutionary approach streams the game directly to your phone, requiring only a stable internet connection and a compatible service subscription. Let's dive into the details. Several excellent cloud gaming services allow you to stream Tekken 8. Popular options include Boosteroid, Shadow PC, and NetBoom, which provide access to the full PC version of the game. You'll typically need a subscription, with different tiers offering varying resolutions, like up to 4K, and session lengths. These services handle the heavy processing, sending the video feed to your phone while receiving your inputs. To get the best Tekken 8 experience on your phone, optimizing your setup is key. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi on the 5 GHz band. A download speed of at least 15 to 25 megabits per second is recommended for smooth, lag-free streaming. For optimal control, connect an external Bluetooth gaming controller, as on-screen touch controls can be challenging for fighting games. This setup minimizes input delay and enhances your overall experience. While some unofficial APKs or emulators might claim to offer Tekken 8, these are often unreliable or not the full game. Stick to reputable cloud gaming services for the authentic experience. To further enhance your play, close unnecessary background applications and ensure no other devices are heavily using your network. Finally, using a mobile gaming clip or stand can significantly improve comfort during longer play sessions, making your mobile Tekken 8 battles more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.